Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 4 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 12 using question words. Okay. So if you have not watched the previous chapters, here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay. So here choose the correct WH word to complete the questions given below. Dash is your mother's name. You know what is your mother's name. Okay, so what will be used here? Dash are you from? You know we are talking about the place. Okay, where are you from? So you have to use the second one, where. The next year dash is your birthday. You know we are talking about the time. Okay, so we have to use when. When is your birthday? We have to use here the first option, when. Then next, dash is Sital not coming to your birthday. You know we are talking about the reason, the cause. We want to know the cause why Sital is not coming to the birthday party. You have to use why. Second one, why is Sital not coming to your birthday? Then next year, dash games have you planned? You know what games? What. Then next, dash gifts are these. We are talking about the ownership. We are talking about the possessionship. So we have to use your whose. Whose gifts are these? Clear? The second one. Then next here, dash is your favorite color, red or green. That means you know if there are a choice more than one, or two, then you have to use which. Which cricketer do you like the most? Virat Kohli or MS Dhoni? Similarly here, dash is your favorite color. You have to use which, not what. First option. Then next here, dash is your favorite actor. Who is your favorite actor? Then next here, dash well does she act? We are talking about how. The manner. How well does she act? You know this is one type of we can call adverb of manner. She dances beautifully. How does she dance? Here well is also adverb of manner. Clear? Then next two number here, match the questions under column A with the answers under column B. So here, where is your school? You know you have to use here, it is near the stadium. Here A. So here fourth option. Then next, what is your school like? You know it is big and modern. B double I. Then next, how do you come to school? By the school bus. Here first option. Then next here, when does your school start? You know here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Last option here. Then next here, who is your best friend? So here you know Himesh. Third option. Then next here, why is he your best friend? You know because he is smart and helpful. You know here fifth option. B. Then next, whose book is that? We are talking about the ownership. You know it is Priti's. You know second option. Then next, which book did you choose? You know sixth option. The Panchatantra. Clear? Then next here, tick the correct questions, then correct the wrong ones using appropriate WH words. So you know which are you hiding in your bag? So this is wrong. You have to rectify the sentence and you have to use the correct WH word. What are you hiding in your bag? What? Then next, why bed is this? This is wrong. Whose bed? We are talking about the ownership. Whose bed is this? Then next, who boy is your friend? Who is boy? Which, not who. Then next here, which can you always write so neatly? How can you? You have to cross which and use how. When are your shoes? Where are your shoes? Not when. Where you have to use where. Clear? Then next, where did you come back from holiday? When did you come back? We are talking about the time. Okay, when did you come back? You have to cross where and use when. Then next, whose do you want the keys? Why do you want the keys? Not whose. You have to cross whose and use why. Then next, what reads in the library? What reads? This is wrong. Who reads? You have to make a cross on what and use who. Okay, who reads in the library? Then next here, you asked your friend some questions about his grandparents. His answers are given below. Frame your questions using the WH words given in the brackets. One has been done for you. Okay, so here, when do you visit your grandparents? That means your answers are already provided. You have to frame questions. So here, I visit my grandparents during vacation. So here, when do you visit your grandparents? The answer is already given. Then next, they live in our village. So you have to use where. Okay, where do they live? You have to use the question mark at the end. Here it is already used. I like my grandparents because they are funny and tell me a lot of stories. Here you have to use WH word why. Why do you like your grandparents? You know this is simple present. Okay, so here the auxiliary verb do will be used. Why do you like? Then next, I play a lot with my grandparents. What? Okay, you have to use what. What do you do with your grandparents? You know here simple present will be used. That means auxiliary verb will be used in simple present. What do you do with your grandparents? Then next, we go to their place by car. You have to use how. This is also simple present. How? Okay, how do we go to their place? You have to use the question mark. Okay, don't forget to use the question mark. How do we go? Clear? Then next here, they like mangoes the best. You have to use which. Okay, which fruit? Which fruit do they like the best? Okay, which. Then next, they are my father's parents. You have to use whose. Whose parents are they? Okay, whose. Clear? Then next here are 10 questions. Tick the correct questions and put a cross against the incorrect ones. Then write the correct forms of the incorrect questions. One has been done for you. So here, when your cousin get married, so this is wrong. Okay, so you have to make it correct. When did your cousin get married? Okay. Then next here, who wrote the book Robinson Crusoe? So this is correct. Okay. Then next, how much this shirt cost? How much does? Okay, how much does you have to put? You have to use auxiliary verb does. How much does this shirt cost? This is shirt cost. You know this is singular, so does is used. Then next, what size do you wear? So you can also use which size. Okay, which size? Okay, do you wear? Clear? Then next, why he sent a card? This is wrong. Why did he send a card? Okay, so this will be more appropriate. Why did he send? You can also use WH word. When did he send me a card? Okay, as the question is written in why, so it is better you have to use the first one. Why did he send a card? Okay. Then next, what you will buy from this shop? Okay, this is wrong. You know after WH word auxiliary verb comes, but here after WH word pronoun is used. Okay, why are you crying? This is right. Why you are crying? This is wrong. Okay, so what will you buy from this shop? Then next, how long will it take you to get to this to the bus stop? This is already corrected. Okay. Then next, why you want to take the bus? This is wrong. Okay, to have to first make a cross. So why do you want to take this bus? Okay, clear? Then next, where you born? This is wrong. Where you born? Okay, you have to use the auxiliary verb, simple past. Okay, where you born? Then next here, which year you born in? Which year? Where you born in? Okay, you have to add here where. This is wrong sentence. Okay, which year were you born in? Then next, what name of your grandfather? This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. The correct one will be what is the name of your grandfather? Okay, clear? Then next here, revision we use, okay, so you have to, you can also do this here. The answers are already in the book, okay. You can also put these words there, what, which, when, where and why, okay. You can use these words here. Here we use what, when, why, which, how to frame questions. These words are also called the WH words. Clear? Okay, here these words are called, okay, WH words. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.